Hey everybody, it's Erin Reed from Erin Makes, and we are here at Creativeworld. I almost said Creativation. That was bad. Creativation's coming up, so just stay tuned. We're here at Creativeworld, and we're with the amazing Catherine Fuller.
Hi guys.
Now, you have an amazing new launch with Sizzix.
Yes.
And I'm seeing this smattering of these hot air balloons below us. Can you tell us about it?
Yeah, so we have our line coming out in April that is hot air balloons and kites and clouds. So I had a cloud sweater on the other day. Did you see that?
I will have to go back.
It's really fun. Oh, Christy got a video of me in the cloud sweater. Good. So one thing that I love about this collection, let's specifically talk about the hot air balloons. So we have this stamp set, and then we have the dies that cut out the stamp images, and then we have the thinlets. So these are standalone dies that create hot air balloons without stamps.
That's nice. I like that. So you can just go with either you can swipe the paper with her amazing inks to give you all the fun colors, or you can use colored cardstock and pattern paper, and the sky is the limit.
That's right. Yes. And then we have a new embossing folder that came out specifically designed for these images. So the balloons have panels. You die cut the panels, and you can die cut a bunch at once and then put them on the different sections of the embossing folder to get different patterns. So the scale on the pattern is very small for the small panels, and then you have four different patterns in one embossing folder. And then you can see on these thinlit hot air balloons the different patterns. So I die cut and embossed this, and then I just basically laid my my ink pad on top of it, so that the ink didn't sink down into the dots and they stayed white.
I thought that was a die that had the little dots cut out of there, because that's so pretty.
Oh,
I really was like, oh, where's your little dots die? Because how did you make that?
And this one was done the same way.
So smart. Look at that, so cute.
And this one I did the direct to paper technique with sea glass. And then I ran it through the polka dots, and then I laid my Bay Breeze ink pad over the top and just gently pressed it, so then the ink doesn't sink into the dots. So they stayed sea glass, and then the rest turned to Bay Breeze.
Now we got to do a quick little span here, because
I'm definitely gonna have to do a full video on that technique.
You're gonna, because that was a big fake out for me. But I mean, just look at all the beautiful, and this is just a smattering of your ink colors that you have over in your Catherine Fuller designs for all of the amazing inks.
Yes, we have over 100.
The inks, they have the mini inks, you have the re-inkers, and then you can get the labels that go on the side, which is my favorite part, because it fits right into my little container, and I can see, and I'm not going, which one?
You have your beautiful rainbow. That is very aesthetic for your craft space.
So it's so on. Now I have to, like, your nails are so cute. I'm loving, look at the rainbows. Look at that. You know, because we're up in the hot air, and so we're through the rainbows. I feel like the tie is there. I feel like it's all coming together.
That was very purposeful.
Yes, I know.
And I'm all about a rainbow.
Rainbows are amazing.
Yeah.
So when does this collection come out? When
this comes out in April.
So it's coming. It's like right around the corner.
Yeah, and we just had the bunnies, the bird houses, stencil, and the thinlets. So the thinlets die cut the stenciled images, and then they also stand on their own. So we have the butterflies, and then we have the garden greenhouse spines. And I don't have the bunnies, I gave those away.
That's okay. I'll overlay the bunnies on the picture. And here we have the bunnies.
This is the Catherine Fuller with Sizzix collection, and then we also have the Catherine Fuller Designs product line, and we just had the Western Revival Lasso Life collection come out with 3 brand new inks, Glacier, Succulent, and Cashmere, in February that hit the shop. And then coming up, we have Mother's and Father's Day.
Oh, that's going to be awesome. I can't wait to see the sneak peeks on that. When are you going to start dropping sneak peeks on those?
I'm doing a little travel, and then probably as soon as I get home.
Travel is important. It's like therapy for the soul. That's why we're here.
Yes.
This is work, but it's also travel.
Yeah.
Or at least we're tying that into our trip.
Same.
Yeah. Oh, where are you going to go?
Today am going to Dresden.
Oh my God, Dresden is so amazing.
It is.
My parents just came from there, and they said it was fantastic. They were there during the Christmas markets, and they loved it. Loved it.
And then we go to Prague, Vienna, and Salzburg.
That is so cool. So we are going to Salzburg too, but we're going to be like, when are you in Salzburg? What day?
Next week.
Okay, next week. We're there on...
That's right. That's right, yeah. And you're going to tell me how Salzburg was.
I'm going to text you and be like, look at this, look at this, look at this.
Definitely go see this.
We're there for a whopping, I think, 17 hours. So we're taking the train in, we're spending the day, we're spending the night, getting up, and then we're taking the train to Munich. Like we're doing enough to say we're in Austria.
Yeah.
I've officially ticked another box of a country to be in.
Yes.
So yeah.
So fun.
Have so much fun.
Thank you. You too.
Yeah. Well, it's hard not to with Rhonda. Nice. Thank you again so much.
Thank you.
I love the new collection. It is always, all of your collections, either through Catherine Fuller Designs or through Sizzix, are always so fun and happy and cheery and just put a smile on your face.
Oh, thank you.
And I love that about all of your designs.
And we always smile about them, so hearing that other people do too makes me smile even more.
All right. Bye, everybody.
Bye.
All right, we good? Head's not cut off. Woo, hello. Hi, Dodge.